Looking for a two-bedroom rent-to-own condo minutes away from BGC and the International Airport? Let me show you Park McKinley West. Park McKinley West is a high-end residential project within Fort Bonifacio, part of a master-planned Mega World Township. Now let's check out the two-bedroom model unit. All units comes fully finished with modular kitchen cabinets, premium countertops, a built-in oven, 4-zone induction cooktop, range hood, plus overhead and underhead storage. You also have a split-type air conditioning unit, modular bedroom closets, and high-grade flooring delivered just like this. We have two exclusive rent-to-own payment options this month, both at 0% interest and 40 months to pay. These are accelerating payment schedules, specifically on the lump sum payments. This exclusive promo is for two-bedroom units only, and it's available for a limited amount of time. If you want to lock in these exclusive rent-to-own promo, message me for more information and let's schedule your visit at the actual site at Park McKinley West.